Last week, an 8-year-old with a lemonade stand out-earned a grown man with a boat. Gracie now splits her fortune into 3 jars: save, spend, and give. The give jar goes first. Her words, "God isn't a tip jar." This week, the offering plate is coming. And Dave has done the math.
Linda, I ran the numbers, and technically, we can't afford church.
Dave.
The building's free. It's the plate I'm worried about.
Observe the male Pennington, cornered by a wooden dish.
We're paying off debt. Every dollar has a job. None of the jobs are leave the house in a plate.
Giving is a job, Dave.
Since when?
Since I put it in the budget in March.
She did. Line 7. He signed it.
You could tithe in Bitcoin.
Nobody asked Kyle.
It's decentralized, like the disciples.
Not now, Kyle.
I already gave. The give jar goes first.
Sweetie, you make lemonade money. Daddy has a mortgage.
I have $6 and a button.
I know, honey.
I gave $2. The button remains in reserve.
33%. Cheerfully, we checked her face.
Okay, but God knows we're in debt. He's seen the spreadsheet.
You want to negotiate with God.
I want to restructure. There's a difference. Dear Lord, per our previous arrangement, please find enclosed an IOU.
Dave is now treating the Almighty like a collections agency with a payment plan.
What if I give my time? I could usher. Ushers are basically money.
Dave.
I have strong plate-passing fundamentals.
Sunday arrived, as it tends to. And here, a small, awkward moment the family does not discuss at lunch. The plate came down the row. Dave looked at it the way the boat looks at a for sale sign.
Linda, what do we... Is there a minimum?
There's no minimum, Dave. There never was.
And then Dave watched his wife quietly put in the envelope she'd prepared on Tuesday.
You already... How long have you been doing that?
The whole time.
The whole time.
The plate should take Apple Pay.
Still, nobody asked Kyle. That night, Dave sat with the give jar Gracie had made him. It was empty. It had his name on it in glitter.
Gracie, doesn't it hurt? Giving your money away?
It's not away. It's just first.
2,000 years ago, Jesus sat across from a temple offering box and watched rich people give impressive amounts. Then a poor widow put in 2 small coins. 2 mites, worth almost nothing. Mark, chapter 12. And Jesus said she gave more than all of them, because they gave from their surplus. She gave everything she had, out of her poverty. He never once mentioned the amount.
So it's not about the number.
It never was, Dave.
I could sell the... No, I heard it.
Progress.
Small, on purpose, cheerful-ish.
You can borrow my button until you feel brave.
He took the button. He is carrying it in his wallet. He thinks nobody knows. Here's what I want you to take away. You don't wait until you're rich to become a giver. Because someday, givers stay. Someday, givers. Peer about de punerian fumnis apps, for supi infinite and heil said dramble. Pick a small amount you can give cheerfully, put it in the budget like any other line, and give it first. Even in the debt years. Especially in the debt years. God doesn't need your money. But your heart needs the habit. Next week. The month 3 debt payoff update. The family tallies the progress. There is a number. Dave cries at the number.
Could have been Bitcoin.
The widow did not have a wallet address. Kyle.
You know where I'll be.
Like and subscribe for more content. New episodes every week.